Hi there, today going to learn about how to add an overlay effect into our Wix website. So here I am in my Wix website editor. So I have a blank page right here. So let's select the blank section right here. And then from here, we can choose change background. So if you want to have like a gradient overlay, so again, we can just click on change background, click on color, adjust this, and then click on gradient. So if we choose the gradient, we have different choices right here for our gradient overlay. And then you can also choose this one, which is a fluid gradient. So you can adjust this to your liking for your background. But if you have an image background, so you can choose image, for example, and then we can choose some options right here. So for example, this one. And then we can edit the look of this website. So if you also want, you can also choose some other options right here. And then from here, you can also click on settings. You can change the image opacity. You can change the opacity of the color behind the image. You can change how the image is scaled. For example, original size, scale to fill, or tile. So we'll just choose scale to fill. And then we will go back to this change background and then click on this icon right here. When we click on this, we will have an option called overlays. And then from here, we can add some overlay effects. So for example, I want to add this one. So like that. If I want to have that, let's just click on save. And then from here, we can see that we already have the edited overlay for our image. But if you want to change it, for example, let's just click on change background and then choose another overlays. For example, like this one or maybe this one. You can click on save. And then we can see the overlay effect has now been added into our background. So it just depends on your preference on what overlay you want to use. And then that is it for this video, and thank you for watching.